DaVinci Resolve versus Premiere Pro. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through and talking a little about DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro and how they both are amazing editing softwares. So as we know, Premiere Pro is one of the most OG editing softwares out there, and you can see its layout timeline just like this. You know, pretty basic, pretty standard. You can get the effect controls panel up here. You can actually choose the effects, transitions, and different elements from here. And you actually have a whole tab up here for color grading, effects, audio, graphics, and other libraries. DaVinci, on the other hand, gives you everything in just one space. Like everything is fitted in, okay? So in this section, you're going to add all your media. This is where you're going to edit everything. Fusion is some place that you can add a little flair to your design, like giving it different types of editorials, media in, media out, creating different nodes, basically cutting. All right, then we have color for color grading. The color grading on DaVinci Resolve, I'd say, is much better than what you get on Premiere Pro, because on Premiere Pro you can see it's pretty standard color grading, basic whites and blacks. But in this, you can actually change the different graphs and curves according to the time frame. Then Fairlight is where you can adjust the audio, which is again much better than Premiere Pro. But everything else when it comes to the editorial and delivery section, I'd say Premiere Pro is much better. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.